Yo, what's happening? What's happening? It's Day, man. And hey, how you feeling? How you living? You know? And man, I'm back, man. I'm back. So I wanted to give a little BTC update, and let's talk about what's going on with margin trading on MT4, man. Because some of you are trying to trade on MT4, which trading Bitcoin on MT4 is totally different from dealing with the exchange. You know, so you know, you got to really be able to snipe these prices. So let's talk about it, man, because Bitcoin has been doing wonderful. You know, so as you can see, you know, last time I was talking to you guys, we talked about it breaking through this strong trend line. You know, that it was following down on this downtrend for a long time, and it broke through that trend line, and as you see, it rose up for a little bit, faked down, and bounced off the other trend here and took off. You know, so that's great, and I'm looking forward to break through this target here. Once we break through this target, we got all this area to deal with. Once it gets above 10,000, if it finds support there, then we got ourselves a good bull run going on. You know, so but I'm looking forward to break above this target, and that'll be a nice little run up section right there. You know, the next little section to really deal with. But man, let's talk about it. Dealing with MT4, you definitely want to be able to snipe these prices. And if you join a team, you know, then you'll be able to be in a community talking with others that are trading on a regular basis, and you'll be able to snipe these prices just like we do. You know, so let's talk about it, man. So I had this area here marked off as a kill zone, and because as you can see, when it had broke that trend line that we had talked about, you know, so here, and so if you're putting, you got to be able to mark up your charts, right? If you're dealing with margin trading, so you mark that off as a strong trend line on a downtrend, right? And the moment it broke that, you know, then we're looking for it to make its move to start on a bull run up. You know, so as we're looking at this, you know, so we'll drop down, zoom in a little bit closer here. So as you can see, this was a downtrend that it broke. Now from there, you have the beginning of an uptrend. So right here, and you see it drop down. Everybody thought, oh well, it's going to continue going down. Well, as you can see, this made a new trend line here. And if a pattern touches a trend line 3 times, that makes it a pretty strong trend line. You know, so here we have it bounce off of that and go on up. You know, so say for instance, you see this. It broke out, and okay, so at this point you're like, all right, now I need to find me an entry point, because when it comes out of here, you're not really wanting to get in just yet. You know, it's because it took off, so you're gonna wait for that strong retrace, because we are crypto and have a strong retrace, and you find your way to get in. You know, so if you drop down to the 15-minute, that's where you're gonna look for your entries at, right? So from here, zoom out a little bit so I can find my area, my key point area. You know, so yeah, so from here, hold on. All right, so from here you have a high, you have a higher low, you have a lower high, and you have a lower low, and then it breaks the structure. So from there, you got what you call a breaker. You know, so you catch that breaker, you find that breaker, and you're going to end up finding your entry point. So this is a kill zone here. So as you can see, it ran away from it here. You would have jumped in, try to jump in the trade right here. You maybe would have got stopped out because you got this spike here, but it gave you a second chance to get in. And from here, it's been gone ever since. Took off, baby. And as you can see, that's gravy. So from that point, if you're not in the trade, you might look for other places where you can actually get in the trade. You know, and as you can see from here, it made a breaker there. So and that was another key point that you could have got in a trade. and boom, took off. You know, because with this Bitcoin, man, you gotta be able to snipe the prices. You got to, because man, this Bitcoin is extremely volatile, but you can eat off of it very well, very well. You know, so consider joining the team. Click subscribe. If I helped you out, click subscribe. I'm going to be dropping jewels here and there, you know, giving you game on how you can elevate your trading game, not only with Bitcoin but also with Forex. You know, so get with me, man, and join the Currency Blueprint. Consider joining the Currency Blueprint. Take your trading game to another level. That's what it is, man. It's Day. We out.